Car manufacturing begins with the creation of doors, hoods, and other body parts from large steel plates. One car can use more than a dozen types of steel plates. Steel plates are fed into the cutting machine and punched into different shapes and sizes. Punched steel plates are pressed into the shape of parts. And it only takes 3 seconds, applying 1,600 tons of pressure to make the part. From stamping, the shaped parts are then put together in welding. It is here where the beautiful shape of the car comes together. First, the floor, sides, and ceiling are assembled, and as many as 4,000 places are welded. Welding is performed with high precision because it greatly affects the car's stability. The doors, hood, and trunk door, among additional parts, are attached to the assembled body. Then, with a human touch and visual check, an inspector confirms quality. The paint process starts with a wash. It's an important step for the preceding layers of paint. The first step is the primer process. The body is dipped into a pool of rust-resistant paint. Then, sealer is applied to steel plate joints. Next, the car body is prepared for the middle coat. While it's not seen, it's the care taken for this middle coat that helps achieve a beautiful color. The next step is the top coating process. Each car is painted one by one with its designated color. And finally, a clear coat is sprayed to add luster. After the car body dries, inspectors rigorously check the painted surface.